But here is the Cadillac. It's got a title and keys. Apparently it's been sitting since 2001. Hinges are good. This is what you like to see. Untouched, all complete. Looks like it's got a newer water pump put in there at some point. No mouse nest so far. Let's see if anybody's made it inside of here. Yeah, I see some acorns and stuff. A lot smaller than what was on there, but that's what it calls for. See, these are riveted instead of welded, the inner to the outer. He's leaking though. Easy fix. Looks like the pump itself is not leaking. You see where the hose connects to the pump. Normal, dry rotted, just split apart. Drop a new one on there. A little bit new fuel in the tank. Should be running all right. Luckily, I keep 3/8 fuel hose in stock. And like new, this other hose seems okay for now. Yeah, we're looking on this trans fluid. At the top of the fuel tank off with 4 gallons of fresh gas. Yeah, we got nothing on the stick. Start by adding 2 quarts ATF. And that brought us up on the stick. Tight coming through here. It is 30 degrees out, but still perfect day for the convertible.